I go by the Chinese name Bailing. My mom was the one that gave me the name actually. She said Bailing is a bird with a beautiful singing voice, and that every time I sang, I would sound as beautiful as Bailing. When I was 13, I left the fertile grounds of Cameroon and stepped onto the land of China. Since then, I've had two homes, one that warms my heart and the other that lights up my dreams. My journey in China has been a tapestry of diverse adventures, filled with triumphs and tribulations. At Tsinghua, I want to share my passion, my life, and my story. For me, pharmacy is not just a science, it's the magic of life, a gift bestowed upon us by nature. In my hometown, Cameroon, there's still some places that face limited access to medicine, so I aspire to develop more drugs suitable for our African region, benefiting more people.
Natural products, using natural products as medicine.
Okay.
At Tsinghua, Professor Chen Ligong is not only my academic mentor, but also my life mentor. He teaches me scientific rigor and provides guidance on planning for my future, reinforcing my determination to continue deepening my roots in the field of pharmacy.
我觉得你的国家更需要你，你可以发挥更大的作用。
One of my favorite hobbies is cooking, especially for my loved ones. So every now and then, I make brunch to share with my friends. Back home in Cameroon, we have a lot of traditional dishes. One of my family's favorite breakfast meal is the scrambled eggs with foldable pancakes, which I always incorporate in my brunch. This was my dad's golden recipe, and to this day remains one of the things I miss from home.
That's Greta for giving the idea of starting brunch with Ka.
One of my favorite things about cooking is seeing the satisfied expressions on my friends' faces after tasting the food I prepared. It feels like the warmth of home, making me find a sense of belonging in this foreign land. At Tsinghua, we have many opportunities to experience outstanding artistic performances. There are a lot of talented students here and kind professors leading us in the pursuit of art. Tsinghua is my favorite place. China and Cameroon, pharmacy and music. These seemingly different elements intertwine and resonate within me. Every note, every molecule is a precious moment in my life. Here, I found myself and my future.
Who were always singing in the back of your mind. Everybody meet the face.